Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. We are trying to cook some more healthy meals here, especially in the month of January, as part of our New Year Healthy New You Challenge. This is actually a new recipe that we're going to give a shot. It is for a peachy chicken in the Instant Pot. The list of ingredients is a little on the light side, so I am worried that it's not going to have a whole lot of flavor or pack much of a punch. But if this one works, we will share the video and I will share the recipe. The ingredients really quick are, and you can, I'm sure, make this on the Stovetop you do not need an Instant Pot. But the list of ingredients are chicken, some chicken broth, some peaches, honey, soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper, and thicken it up with some cornstarch and water. The recipe said to serve over rice. I'm going to try to be a little healthier, serving it over some whole wheat couscous with some vegetables, maybe a salad on the side. Got to figure out if this needs a little bit more seasoning. I find that cooking in the Instant Pot is a little bland to begin with, just by the nature of pressure cooking under basically a steam bath. So I need to probably boost the flavor somewhere. So I'm going to give this one a shot. I'm going to saute the chicken breast in a little oil, and then when I cut it off, mine are very thin. The recipe called for 1 pound. Mine weigh about 10 ounces, so I'm going to cut it back from 10 minutes to about 7 or 8 on high pressure. My chicken breasts have browned on both sides, so now I'm going to deglaze the bottom of the Instant Pot and get up the little crispy bits. I used the chicken broth to deglaze and then added the balsamic vinegar before I closed up the Instant Pot. The original recipe said to cook for 10 minutes on manual high pressure. I had 2 small breasts, so I lowered mine to 8 minutes. After the 10 minutes, the recipe actually said to quick release it. I let it mostly natural release pressure for about 5 or 6 minutes. They are falling apart. We're going to crank up, take the chicken out and crank this up on saute and add the peaches and a tablespoon each of honey and soy sauce. I added honey, soy sauce, another dash of balsamic vinegar. Mine were light peaches. It would probably be better if you had a can in heavy syrup. Add my cornstarch slurry and see if it will thicken the sauce to serve over the chicken. Took a little of the liquid out and mixed up a little bit more cornstarch slurry. I also added a little bit of basil and a dash of red chili. It is starting to thicken, and it's a little heavy on the balsamic. That was my mistake because I put more in it. So we're just going to call this balsamic peach chicken. But it does taste good so far. We're going to put the chicken back in it and serve the sauce. It's suggested over rice. I did some couscous. You can serve it over rice or noodles. Once the sauce thickens back up, I add the chicken back in and we'll let it warm up in the sauce, and then we're going to serve it over rice or pasta.
Ooh, that looks good.
The sauce was absolutely delicious. We did serve it over whole wheat couscous, but I would make this again and I would serve it over either rice or pasta. We had steamed broccoli on the side and some roasted carrots that we tried for the first time in our air fryer. This was a very flavorful, very delicious dish, and one that I hope is pretty healthy. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel, Let's Cook, y'all. I hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Have a wonderful and blessed day.
Kind of looks like peach cobbler with a little chicken mixed in.
Yeah, that's getting cut.